Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to go from this phase to a fully glam makeup tutorial. So this is called a 0 to 100 makeup transformation look, as you read in the title. So I've been seeing this a lot on YouTube and I thought why not create my version of it for you guys. So if you want to know how I make this face into a full glammed up makeup face, then please continue watching.
I'm going to start off with the L'Oreal sheet mask. So I've just taken out the plastic and I'm going to let the sheet mask sit on my face for 15 to 20 minutes. After removing the sheet mask and after the serum is set into my skin, I'm going to use the bamboo gel from the Face Shop and apply it as my moisturizer for the makeup. For today's primer, I'm going to use a Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance Primer because I'm going for a full glam makeup look. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face. The next step is foundation, and I'm going to take the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the shade 05 Warm Beige, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face and neck to even out my skin tone. For my concealer, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige and apply it under my eyes. I'll also set my eyelids and then use the Fit Me Loose powder to set the concealed areas in place. Moving on to eye makeup, first I'm going to take the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil and just draw my eyebrows and use the spoolie side to brush my eyebrows. For my eyeshadows, most of the colors are going to be from the Makeup Revolution palette. First I'm going to take the soft brown color and use that as my crease color. Using my Wet n Wild palette, I'm going to take the orange and the mustard shade, mix them both and use it just under where I've applied the soft brown shade. Next, taking a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna blend out all the harsh edges of the colors. For the lids, I'm gonna mix that color and the golden shade together and apply it all over my eyelids to give that glammed look.
So I did my other eye off camera and I added a little bit of this color just on the center of the lids, just for the pop of color.
Coming back to the base makeup, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild bronzer and apply it on areas where I usually like to use my bronzer. For the next step, I'm going to use my PAC makeup setting spray and set my base makeup before I go to blush, because I think if I do that technique my blush pops. And for today's blush, I'm going to take the Sugar Cosmetics face palette and use the blush that comes along with the highlighter and bronzer. I'm going to take the highlighter that comes in the palette and apply it on the top of my cheeks, my nose, and the other areas where I generally apply my highlighter. For my kajal, I'm going to use the K-Beauty 24-Hour Kajal in the shade Spade. This is my second pencil and I have a full review on it on my Instagram. So I will leave my Instagram page in the description box below. Please go check it out. For the eyeliner, I have the Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner and I'm just going in for a very small wing eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to take the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. I really like this one. This separates my lashes and also gives it a very curling kind of an effect. This is the washable version. You also get a waterproof version from this mascara. And for today's lipstick, I have a very interesting packaging. So when you click the top like that, this opens up and this is the color. Such a gorgeous pinkish red tone color. I won it in an Instagram giveaway and this is from a brand called Blush Bee. They make lipsticks out of natural ingredients and I can actually smell camphor and ghee in the lipstick. It just applies very smoothly and I just love the pigmentation of the lipstick.
That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my 0 to 100 makeup transformation makeup tutorial. If you liked this video, then don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you all super soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.